Okay, a couple of closing thoughts for myself tonight. There are aspects to human nature that are ugly. I'm fascinated with history, early man, and watched some lectures with David Reich. I might make a playlist for that. So in our DNA, they can go back and, variables, whatever, the genetic, the terminology is. I'll provide the lecture so you can look up the details. But time and again, man was population was reduced. Violence, other means, and time and again, different populations went extinct to where we have the bottleneck of what is the common ancestors for a relatively small pool of the population as ancestors for the current human population. And some of those extinctions were evidenced by violence. It's in our DNA. They can use sampling of the DNA and plot that going back hundreds of thousands of years and collate the data for languages, how languages developed and spread. So the cold, hard kernel in that, to me, is genocide is in our DNA. That is the human animal that lies dormant during the best of times. And other times it arises from its latency, sweeps through nations and across oceans and across continents and does horrifying things. So Pinker was wrong. In a way that I had hoped was not true. That's my sundowner in the background, if she comes through across on the mic. The geriatric one with the nails from the other night. She's whimpering. So the angels of our better nature are having a hard time right now. So don't kid yourself. Democracy as we know it is experiencing an existential crisis. And the Constitution needs to be updated. Sandy Levinson 10 days ago in a lecture interview said that it's not the illegalities that is the problem right now. It's the legalities. It's what Trump can get away with because there are no laws codified to prevent this dishonorable behavior on the part of a POTUS. So my efforts here, Kitchen Table Civics, my encouragement to put some skin in the game is because we have got to overwhelmingly sound a declaration for a new national the term narrative. We have to remake democracy. We really do. So keep an eye on my playlists. I'm going to be bumping them out. I'll probably get better as I go along. Have a good night.